Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable laundry solutions, the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, advantages, and drawbacks, helping you decide which one suits your travel needs best. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just need a compact solution for laundry, we've got you covered. The Scrubba Wash Bag is incredibly lightweight at just 5.3 ounces, making it the perfect choice for backpackers and travelers who prioritize minimal weight. In contrast, the portable washing machine weighs around 4.17 pounds, which, while still manageable, makes it less convenient for those on the go. If you're looking for something to easily fit into your travel gear, the Scrubba is the clear winner. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates manually, requiring you to agitate the clothes inside to clean them. This method is eco-friendly and requires no electricity, making it ideal for outdoor use. On the other hand, the portable washing machine offers electric operation with 3 different washing modes, providing a more automated and convenient washing experience, especially for larger loads. When it comes to capacity, the Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for small to medium laundry loads, making it suitable for quick washes of a few items. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 10 liters, allowing you to wash more clothes at once, which is a significant advantage for families or longer trips. If you need to wash larger loads, the portable washing machine is the better option. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the portable washing machine offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. The Scrubba is perfect for those who prioritize portability and ease of use, while the portable washing machine is ideal for those who want a more automated washing experience with greater capacity. Be sure to consider your specific needs when choosing between these two products. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.